Good morning students, this is the English literature class and today we are going to do the articles, okay, which is on page number 42, okay. We are going to know about articles today, okay. So first they have written use a or a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Now what is consonant sound? We will know later, okay. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Now what is a vowel? Okay, what are vowels? There are 1 2 3 4 5 vowels, okay. You know that uh, there are alphabets from A to Z, okay. Now from A to Z, A, E, I, O, U come under vowel or vowels, okay. Now the words which sound uh, with vowels, okay, like what can you say? Aeroplane. When you say aeroplane, it starts with A. When you say elephant, it starts with E, okay. When you say um, Indian, it starts with I, okay. These are all vowel sounds, okay. So you put an before them, okay. When you say owl, okay, OWL, owl, it starts with O and it gives a vowel sound, so that's why you put an before them. You say umbrella, an umbrella, okay. So again you put a an before umbrella because it starts with U sound, okay, which is vowel sound. A sound, E, I, O, words which are starting with these alphabets and give their sounds, okay, there are vowel sounds and you will write N before them. Apart from this, whatever alphabets are left from A to Z, there are consonant sounds, okay, and you put A before them or A before them, okay. The words A and N are called articles, okay. The words A and N are called articles, remember that. Example, a watch, okay, it doesn't start with A, E, I, O, U, okay, and the sound is consonant. When you say watch, okay, it is consonant sound, so you put A before watch. When you say lamp, okay, it doesn't fall, the first letter doesn't fall under vowel and it is not giving a vowel sound, okay, so you put A before them. When you say alligator, okay, it starts with A and A is a vowel, okay, and it's also giving a vowel sound, alligator, so you put N before them and before alligator, okay, and before alligator. When you say Indian, it is I starts from Indian starts from I, okay, and I is a vowel and it is giving a vowel sound. When you say Indian, it's starting with I, so you'll put N before Indian, okay. Similarly, you use N before words such as are and honest man that begin with silent H, okay. Now you are putting and before are and honest man. Why? These are not H. H is not a vowel, okay, but still you are putting and before our, are, or honest before and before honest man, okay, before honest. Why? So our sounds like are, okay. H is silent over here. This is giving a R is giving a vowel sound, so you put N before R. And honest sounds like honest, ONEST, though H is over there, H is again silent over here, so this is giving a vowel sound. Now you know the difference between consonant sound and vowel sound, okay. So again you put N before honest. These words begin with a vowel sound. Use a before words such as university. You know, you is a vowel, okay, but when you say university, okay, uniform and 1 rupee coin, because they begin with a consonant sounds. When you say university, it sounds like u, y-o-u, university. Listen carefully what you are pronouncing, okay, a word. When you are pronouncing a word, university, okay. So y doesn't fall under a vowel category, okay, a vowel category. There is no y over here. So that's why even though university, the word university starts with u, you put a before university, because it's giving a consonant sound. Uniform sounds like u again, uniform. So y is not a vowel, so again you'll put a uniform, even though u is a vowel, but you will write a before uniform. One sounds like one, w-o-n, one. O-N-E, one sounds like w-o-n, one. So w is not a vowel, okay, and it's giving a consonant sound, so you put a before one, not an, okay. So you have to be very careful for when you are pronouncing words, and listen to whether it's giving a consonant sound or a vowel sound to put when you are putting a or an before the words, okay. Similarly, now they have given exercises here, okay, related to the articles, okay. Now the first exercise over here is fill in the blanks with a or an. My friends want to be dash astronaut. Again, pronounce the word astronaut. What is it starting with? The word sounds is a vowel sound. Astronaut, it is starting with a, so a is a vowel, so you are going to put an over here, since a is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U is a vowel. We sailed on dash yacht on sunny morning, okay. We sailed on dash yacht. Pronounce again yacht, okay. So yacht is a giving a consonant sound, it's not giving a vowel sound, and it is also starting with y, which is not a vowel, so you put a over here. We sailed on a yacht one sunny morning, okay. Similarly, you are going to do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 in your book itself. Now there is another article, okay, which is the. The too is an article. The is used to refer to a noun that has already been mentioned. Example, I lost an umbrella yesterday. The umbrella was red in color. In the first sentence, you have already mentioned about an umbrella, okay. Again, you can see here when you pronounce umbrella, okay, umbrella, it's starting with u, okay. The sound is u, and it's also starting with a u. The word is also starting with a u, which is a vowel, so you put an before umbrella, okay. Now in the second sentence, again you are talking about the umbrella, so you put the before umbrella, okay. You see the difference? The is used to refer to a noun that has already been mentioned. Umbrella has been already mentioned in the first sentence. Again you are talking about it, so you put the before umbrella in the second sentence. The is also used before nouns that are only one or their kind, okay. The is also used before letter or words which are only one or of their kind, such as the earth is only one, revolves around the sun, there is only one sun. Okay, so you put the before particular things which are only one. This is another rule for putting the before words. Okay, you know, now you know that the is also an article. Okay, and also that the is used to refer a noun that has already been mentioned. I lost an umbrella yesterday. Again you are writing the umbrella was red in color. Okay, now fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Okay, so once there was dash horse. Okay, dash wild horse. When you say wild, it's a consonant sound. Okay, and W is not a vowel, so you write a wild horse. It had dash attractive a. Attractive a is a vowel, so you put an attractive flowing mane. Dash horse Woodhoffen. Now horse has been again spoken about. It has been already spoken in the, it has been already talked about in the first sentence. Now it is going, we are mentioning it again. So when you repeat the noun again in the second or third sentence, okay, you put the horse would often be seen galloping in circles at sunset. It would then disappear into dash old. Old, it's starting with O, and O is a vowel. Into an old dark cave. Okay, now rest of the blanks will be filled by you. Okay, now I and H is your homework. You are going to fill the blanks. Okay, and send it in the homework group. Okay, thank you.